If we had to create extrusions, we were using the sketch options. But Fusion 360 provides us with some basic shapes like box, cylinder and sphere. Let's see for instance the box. Here you can see I'm selecting the sketching plane and selected the origin. The dialog box gives me the option to enter the length, width and height. So in just one command I will be able to create this extrusion instead of going to the sketching plane and again extruding it. Similarly, we can see the second option, which is the cylinder. For the cylinder, I have to again select the sketching plane and select a point from where I can draw the circle and immediately it will show me the extrusion, and in the dialog box I can give the diameter and height. I can even make a cut. The next one is the sphere. For the sphere again, I can just select the sketching plane and select a point from where I will be able to draw a circle. I can also cut it in spherical way. I'm using the join option and here I'm able to alter the diameter. In the next video, let us see an example using all these tools.